Hey guys, Mr. Commander here, and today we're unboxing the Xbox One X. I just got this from GameStop because I got money for Christmas, and well, I was wanting this. So I don't have a knife on me, so I'll be right back. Alright, so that's the closest thing I could find to a knife, and hopefully we don't have to cut a lot. So there are these stickers on the back here that I am cutting. Trying not to dig too deep. There we go. Set that aside. So let's see what we got here. Ooh. This fell out. What's on this? Huh. So it's a thing for Game Pass. It's a 1-month code. It shouldn't matter if you guys see these. I'm gonna redeem it before I upload it. 14-day free trial. I'll use that when I run out. And then just some basic instructions on how to connect your system together, if you can see that. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. That looks like it is it. Also, this little box, I'm going to set that off to the side. There's nothing else in that. So, let's see what's in here first. This is an HDMI cable? Sends with an HDMI cable, high-speed HDMI cable, and a controller. There's also a manual in there, but I know how to work an Xbox controller. And then also comes with, there's power cord. That's that. So this box is, has your controller and power cord, and apparently a high-speed HDMI. That's new. Let's check out this. That's why I love Xbox. They send batteries with the controller. It's really nice. So, my friend has one of these, right? And I was asking about this controller because most times, you know, I can't just give you an Xbox like controller, so they usually put something cheap in here, but this one seems really well built. I have my Lunar controller over there I used in my other video. Has diamond grips on the back. This one, it's plastic, but it has like these little dots. I don't know if you can see them. Little bitty dots that are surprisingly well gripped. So I've been looking for a new controller. This one's nice. Also, it has the 3.5mm jack alongside on my Lunar. That's broken. So also the thumb grips are really nice. I don't know if that's just because that's how they are, and my other ones I've been using for about 2.5 years now, so it might just be the other ones out of date. But let's check out the bad boy. Big foam boxes. Here is the densely packed box. It's heavy. Alright, so there it is. It's the Xbox. And we have all of the cables on the back. button there. So here's, let's move these. There's the Xbox X, and then there's Xbox One, the original. Came out on Christmas. So this one is heavy. It's quite smaller. It's about 2 inches up here and about an inch over here. And then height-wise, this one's about an inch smaller. But this one is definitely a lot heavier than this one. Also a lot densely packed. So this one's like a brick. This one's like a styrofoam. It's big, but it's not very hollow. This one, it's densely packed. So here we have this thing that says, do not remove console without first removing any, do not move console with a disc inside. So most of my games are digital, so I'm good here. The button here and a button here. I know what this one does. This one's to sync your controllers. I don't know what this one does. So, if you're reading the manual to see what that one is. And then you have your ports on the back. So, let's check the box. This one, I think that's something in it. Let's see. Oh, that's just HDMI warning. Is there one in here? Probably. So, I don't know what that one does. It looks like it's an IR thing. So if you have a TV you're trying to connect to, or something else, you can use that. Is there a sticker on it? No. Okay, so that's the first half of the video. That's the unboxing part, where, well, I unbox it. The next part is setting it up. So let's get into that. Alright, so here we have this. This is our sound system. And we have the TV over there. So, to set up the Xbox One X, well, right now, since I'm a previous owner of an Xbox One, I'm going to be replugging this back in. All of its necessary ports. HDMI power and Ethernet. Got that bad boy in. Now, since our thing here, you can only have one door open at a time, I had to put the X over here for now, until I have everything moved over. So, thing here. Plug in the power, the HDMI out. Make sure it's on the out. And what's a button? The other one is not. So since we have this here, we can only have one console turned on at a time. So right now it's blue. And the HDMI is not plugged in right. There we go. Let's see if I can fix the stand. Record this better. How does that look? That looks exceptionally good. Right? And then we have it's my 360 or my Xbox controller. So once you have your system plugged in, I'm pretty sure how you do this is you want to go down to network and go to network transfer. You guys can't see this, can you? Can't zoom in. So you want to go to network and network transfer, and then you're going to say this will allow your console on your network to copy games, apps from this console. Network transfer will automatically stop when you're playing a game. So it says no local network consoles found. That's because I don't have the X on. So we're gonna actually what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna push the button here, change that over to the X, then turn on the included controller, press A, English, US, and then fill out all this. So it's gonna, ask you where you live and all that stuff. Okay, so right now it's updating because it's been out for a while. Dang, I'm recording this with my phone. If you're not recording it like I am, at the bottom it's gonna say while you're updating here, you can speed up setup with the app, and then it'll give you a code to use right about there. So I'm gonna wait for this to update, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. All right, so while I'm waiting for this, I'm gonna switch back over to the to just the one, because I'm using an Ethernet cable right now, and I'm not sure an Ethernet cable because it says wireless network. So I'm just gonna unplug the Ethernet cable and connect it while I'm waiting. So when you're doing this process, you want to make sure they're both connected to the same network. Right now I'm on Game Room 5G or 5 gigahertz, and we're all good. And then you can go back to the network transfer. That way, they're both on the same network for the network transfer. So while that's updating, I figure I'd talk about some of the differences, besides the size. So the Xbox One, I think it's slightly under 1080 resolution, while the X can support 4K and all that. Another difference is the power cable. So the one has a brick, so it goes from the wall to the brick to the PlayStation, or to the Xbox. And the Xbox One X does not have that. And kind of the downfall of that is, I don't know here. My the one can go from the wall through in here and have like this slack all up over here. Okay. The X, however, is plugged directly in from the wall to the station, or to the console. And there's kind of like right there, the curly one. So there's a lot less length within the Xbox One X, so that can cause some troubles. So I'm gonna have to figure a way to somehow wire it so I can move it to the center console. Oh, it's doing its reset right now. The center thing, so it can be in line with the stereo system and the cable box and all that. So great console. It's not powerful, all that. But the cable is shorter. I think it'd be a nice little, add-on. Not necessary, but just a thing. Maybe $10 for like a extended cable. Kind of sounds weird because it's like phones have extended cables, consoles don't. But maybe your outlet's way over there and your TV's here, and you need that extra distance. Because right now it's about I say about 6 feet, 5? No. That's about 2. Then you have maybe about 3, 4. I think it is curled, so I might be able to stretch it out. But definitely it's a downside, but it's also a plus. Because you don't have a brick. Then it is also small. It's shorter, so, it's the whole weighing thing. But right now we're at 58%. It's applying the update, so I'll get back to you whenever we're ready for the transfer. Alright, so after the update, it's going to ask you for, signing all that stuff, but then it's going to play this really cool cinematic. And get started. All of that stuff. Next. And then it's gonna have you fill out some stuff. You know, basically, I think it's just gonna, yeah, it's just describing, you know, reviews, reviewing, you know, tips on how to, you know, I think it does on all the newer ones, so you know. But yeah, it's gonna, you know, all that, and then apps. Let's go to settings, and then let's switch over to, let's see, that one. Yeah. Switch over to network transfer. And I've been signed out. No local consoles found. Maybe I can bring that up on this one too. So network transfer. There we go. The box. Okay, so we're just gonna select all, and it's all my games, apps, all that stuff. And I think we just hit, you know, copy. Alright, so, oh thanks, I don't really want to go there, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all. There's just setting up. That includes the transfer and all that. The last use. So that'll be it. So thanks for watching. Like if it helped you, and please subscribe. You know, the more the merrier. Hopefully I got PUBG. My the Xbox came with PUBG, so hopefully I can might make a PUBG video. If you guys want me to make playthroughs of videos for anything you see here, or anything you see here, I can do it. But yeah, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention is it doesn't transfer over, you know, accounts. So if it's a family Xbox, then you're gonna have to have everyone, you know, sign in and stuff like that. But you know, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.